Auto insurance companies provide their clients with liability coverage with certain limitations in exchange for an insurance premium, which refers to a series of monthly payments. Since you can't predict the future, having a car insurance policy can help you protect the vehicles in your household. However, most drivers in the United States still buy more coverage than what their state requires in order to achieve maximum insurance protection. Simply put, a car insurance policy acts as a safety net. It refers to the agreement you will have with an insurance policy in which you will agree to pay insurance premiums. If you ever get involved in an accident, your insurance provider will automatically pay for the covered damages as outlined in the terms of your insurance policy. You may also receive coverage if your car was vandalized or stolen. Before shopping for car insurance, you have to be familiar with how deductibles and premiums work. This way, you can easily find a policy that suits your budget without sacrificing the amount of coverage you will receive. Even the best drivers will experience car accidents at one point in their life. With this in mind, you have to get enough insurance coverage to pay for medical costs and the damages your vehicle may incur if you ever get involved in a roadside accident. Aside from the fact that every state requires car insurance policies, they are also important because they'll pay for the medical expenses, property damage, and other losses that were mentioned in their terms and conditions. To understand how auto insurance policies work, you have to be familiar with the different types of coverage. Bodily injury liability will pay for lost income or wages, medical bills, and even funeral expenses. It will also pay for the legal fees of defending and covered lawsuits. Collision coverage will pay for the damage your car has incurred due to a collision with another vehicle. Even if the accident was your fault, it will still reimburse the costs of fixing your car after you have finished paying for your deductible. If you can prove that you're not at fault, your insurance company will automatically seek reimbursement from the other parties involved in order to pay for the damages your vehicle incurred. Comprehensive coverage is also optional in most states, and it will protect you from damage and losses that were not caused by a car collision. Although car insurance can be expensive, having one will surely benefit you in the end. If you don't have an insurance policy, you will not only be responsible for the cost of repairing your own car, but also for the damage you have caused to the other's car. In fact, that's one of the biggest dangers of driving without auto insurance. No matter how much you deny it, accidents do happen, so you have to make sure that your vehicle is properly insured.